residents of Khayelitsha and the Metro, we are very happy to be with you here today in a meeting organized by Economic Freedom Fighters. Economic Freedom Fighters is an organization which was formed in June, but already exists as if it has got 100 years. There is no corner in South Africa where there is no EFF, from Nkandla up to here. In the Zealous land, we've got the Economic Freedom Fighters. We are very happy with the work done by the PCT together with the RCT. These comrades are making us proud. There is no area we've visited since we arrived here yesterday and we did not find people. Sometimes they say, let's just make a 10 here, only to find thousands and thousands of people waiting for you. That is Western Cape for you. Helen Zille, she's shivering wherever she is. Helen Zille, I think she's sweating inside her shoes. When she looks at your pictures and the pictures of EFF supporters all over the province, I think you are causing a nightmare. Helen Zille got a reason to panic. She's got a reason not to sleep because of you. If she had worked for you, if she had delivered to our people, if she had not separated the whites from the blacks, she was not going to have a nightmare. Helen Zille has brought back apartheid in the Western Cape, where a life of a black person is cheap. A black person is offered cheap services, but the white suburbs receive the best of the best services. That's why she can't sleep, because the people of Western Cape have discovered a new alternative. We are bringing to you the home you have been looking for. The people of Western Cape voted for Zille because there was no alternative. Today you've got an alternative. Zille must start packing her bags in the State House, because that house after April will belong to the Economic Freedom Fighters. We must make it clear that Zille won with 53% in the last elections. So with our arrival, it's a guarantee that she will be out of power. The others we are not talking about, the ANC and DA have a common policy. A policy of protecting the white privileges and continuing to exploit the black people. They've got an NDP, a policy called an NDP. That policy comes out of the DA policy. Now the ANC has adopted that policy. They are the same thing. They belong together because they are serving one master. They are serving Johan Rupert and the Oppenheimers and not our people.